Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to do the coding for linked list. Okay, so let's start. First, this is no explanation, by the way. So class node define init self data. Okay, so if you didn't watch my last video about the logic, watch it. Okay. Then you can just watch the coding. So self dot data is data. Self dot next is none. Okay. Next thing is class linked list define init self dot head self dot head equals none. After that, what we're gonna do is define an insert function. So insert self comma new node. If self dot head is none, meaning that if there's no value in self dot head, if it's basically null, self dot head is our new node. Now, if you don't understand the codings, don't watch this video and watch my other video where I have everything that has a logic about it. Okay, this is just the coding, but I have another video that has a whole logic, that has logic about it. After that, while true, oh, while true, if last node dot next is none, I don't know it, none. What we have to do now is if last node is none. Okay, break our program, meaning stop our program. Stop the program. Yeah. Here, last node equals last node dot next. And after that, last node dot next. Last node dot next is our new node. Then you have to make a print list to print our data and put self. By the way, self just means to represent the object if you forgot that. Current node self dot head. So current node is our head node. While true if current node is none, break our program. Or else current node dot data current node dot data comma current node dot next. Okay, then after that, current node equals the current node dot next. Oh, why did I spell current wrong? Then add our list. That's it. Okay. Node 1 is node A, let's say, for example. Okay. Then we have a linked list. Linked list equals to linked list. So we're basically changing it. So now linked list dot insert. We have to insert our first node, node 1. Do that for the next one. Node 2 equals node B. Linked list dot insert node 1. Yeah, I mean node 2, ow. And last node we can say for this is gonna be C. Node 3. Oh, I forgot to add the print list. Linked list dot print list. Yeah, see, so number A, this address over here, right? So this address over here is the address for this address for B. And this address is the address for C, and C is none, meaning null, meaning you can't go beyond it. So thank everyone for listening about my video. I hope you like it, and bye.